Okay, our Philippine boxing team, 5 of them with POC President Bambol, raring to get going dito sa Paris Olympics. And lahat sila palaban. Sir, what's your message to our countrymen? They're super excited for the opening.
Pray for our athletes. Game will start day after tomorrow, after the opening. No replay. there will be no replay. So one lose, we're out.
Yeah.
Alam na nila yon.
But you're expecting a lot of medals.
Yan ang mga kuha. Oh. Yumir, ganyan ang mga kuha.
Yumir Marshall.
Oh. Dito sa Mets.
Kaya nga po.
Dumating kami. Umalis kami, dumating ka. Bakit putok yan? Sa ano?
Dito?
Oo.
Sa
Paring?
How are you, Yumir?
Let's go.
How's your condition?
Good po.
Mindset, anong masasabi mo sa kababayan natin?
Ayun, always naman po, nandito po tayo. Not only to compete, but to win a medal. To win the gold.
Win the gold.
That's
Sir,
the goal.
anong message mo kay Yumir?
Kaya yun.
Kailangan? Sinong pinakamatindi mong kalaban?
Lahat po. Lahat po. Talagang itong Olympic talagang lahat po preparado. So, lahat po inaantay po namin.
Yumir, anong difference ngayon sa Olympics na to kaysa sa Tokyo?
Siyempre ngayon, ma'am, going to this Paris Olympics, especially na sa preparation, mas iba yung preparation ngayon dahil mas marami po kaming resources nung Tokyo Olympics po. Talagang naka-lockout out po kami sa isang area kung saan doon na kami nagte-training. Pero ito po, mas handa po lahat ng mga atleta ngayon eh. Kaya I think this Olympics mas grabe yung mga preparation ng mga atleta. Kaya exciting po to. Sobrang exciting po.
Marcos, what can you tell us about your team, boxing team, na maraming umaasa for gold, silver, and bronze?
Yeah, well, we understand that the expectations are high, but everyone embraces that, and we're just hoping to give our best possible performance, and the results will just take care of itself.
Are you happy with the preparation? Would you say that the team prepared as best as they can?
Yeah, there were just some minor stuff that we went through, but overall, we had a good training camp in Germany and also in Metz, France before coming here. So yeah, I think the team is ready.
Nandito ka na! Anong pakiramdam ngayon?
Okay lang po. Excited.
You feel like you're in peak condition? Kaya mong patumbahin mga kalaban?
Yung pagpatumba po, hindi siya ganun kadali, pero syempre, as long as na kung pwedeng mapatumba, bakit hindi para matapos. Pero syempre, alam kong hindi ganito kadali po.
How different do you feel for this Olympics kumpara sa Paris, sa Tokyo?
Mas kabado ako dito kasi yung sa Tokyo pandemic, so wala masyado exposure. Dito kasi lahat may exposure, lahat na explore lahat kung saan gusto mag-training, so mas medyo kabado ako dito.
So sir, you were gonna say about Hergy and Ira. Si Hergy, how many fights para magka-medal?
I think 2. Tama, 2. Both, kaya nila yun.
Ikaw, ilan para magka-medal?
I think 3 or 4.
So, na-scan mo na yung mga kalaban mo?
Sa ngayon, nare-review pa. Pero makikita natin lahat. Doon naman makikita lahat sa ring eh. Doon makikita lahat na resulta.
Hergy, first Olympics nyo, no? Pareho.
Yes,
So, anong pakiramdam nyo?
Ayun, para sa akin,
Ganun pa. Enjoy,
pressure.
syempre, no pressure. Enjoy lang sa ring, then labas lang kung ano yung pinag-training niya. And then focus. And syempre, kay God na rin.
Pero you've been working really hard, no?
yes ma'am.
Masasabi
Sa
mo.
akin naman, Ayun, kami yung first time pa lang namin to, pero hindi kami basta-basta. Ayan.
How are you?
Good po, okay lang naman.
How's your preparation and ano yung feeling mo for your first fight?
To, excited dahil first time. Binubuhos ko na yung lahat ng makakaya ko kasi palapit na ng palapit yung laban. Kailangan prepare and matibay dapat. Siyempre, hindi rin magpapadala sa pressure din at the same time.
And the preparation, were you happy with it?
Yeah, it's been good. Been
Yeah.
very good.
Thailand and where else?
Thailand and then Metz in France
yeah.
and then Germany in Saarbrücken. Yeah.
So you're happy?
Yeah, the sparring was good. The athletes are good. Very good performances in the sparring. You know, the coaches have done a good job, especially Coach Nietes with a new Olympian, Hergy. She's still got a few strings attached to the coach, so you know she's still learning a trade. So, but she's improved a lot under Coach Nietes.
Kamusta?
Okay na po.
Condition?
Okay na po.
Ready to rumble?
Ready to war na po.
How's yung condition mo? Ano yung pakiramdam mo?
Sa ngayon po, nag-ano na po, nagre-recover na po kami.
Recover from? Yung,
Training po. Para sa prepare sa laro.
pero ready ka na para sa bawat kalaban?
Yes po.
Na-scan mo na yung mga makakasagutan
Halos,
mo?
halos lahat naman po eh.
Kilala mo na?
Halos po, halos lahat naman preparado lahat. Kami din, lahat kalaban namin. Pero see you na lang po sa laban.
Super preparado ka?
Yes. Sorry.
Determinado?
Siyempre.
Okay. Let's go.